By this time, you guys should have access to my creators GPT. Thank you guys for your support. So now I'm going to show you how to use the Copywriting God. So simply paste your copy and I'll make it Ogilvy brilliant. So I've copied a copy from one of my recent newsletters. So basically I prompted ChatGPT to create these email sequences for me. Now I'm going to copy that and then copy one of them and just paste it and just hit enter, submit. So what this Copywriting God does is it's able to rewrite the email based on what you write on your copy. So let's say you can upload like email, you can email copy, you can upload your social media ads, whatever, and it will basically give you an explanation of what it does as well. So explanation in this revision, I maintain your enthusiastic tone while maintaining the language more vibrant and direct, aligning with Ogilvy's principles of clear and persuasive messaging. The use of vivid imagery, fusing with captivating storytelling, capturing the heart and mind, enhances reader engagement, a key contemporary marketing tactic. This version keeps the original spirit but elevates the language to be more impactful and memorable. So let's read the copy. So the Copywriting God. Welcome aboard Influx. We're ecstatic to have you join us. Picture this, your brand scaling seamlessly with each marketing strategy fine-tuned to perfection. This is the realm of AI automation, a realm where Influx excels. Blah, blah. Why embrace AI automation? Because it's not just a trend, it's the future. And you deserve to be at the forefront, leading the charge. So keep an eye out for an upcoming email where we'll unveil how Influx's innovative approach can be a game changer for your brand's growth. One regards, the Influx team. And postscript, remember in Influx, we don't just write words, we create experiences powered by AI. Our methods aren't just efficient, they are revolutionary. So it does include some principles in there. I've uploaded some files into the knowledge base so that it is able to reference from those principles. So that's how you use the Copywriting God. If you guys are interested in knowing how I created these GPTs, the specific prompts and instructions, subscribe to my newsletter where I'll go through all of them. Link below. All right, we'll see you there.